Hello everybody, it's Marcus Brown with MLC CAD Systems here with a quick tech tip relating to operations that might fail on your surface model. Now this applies to just about anything, but what I've got here is a giraffe and I plan on molding it out of 1/2-inch plastic. It's a surface body right now, so all I need to do to finish up my model is just come in here and thicken it. I'll tell it that I want to thicken this surface 1/2 inch to the inside, so that way it's going to thicken to the inside and the outside shape stays the same. And when I click OK, you may have seen something like this, unable to thicken surface. Now there's several things that could cause this, but at the end of the day, the solution involves really finding the problem first and understanding it. And to do that, we'll go to the Evaluate and click on the Check command. Used to be known as check geometry. This command is going to be one of the most boring things ever on a part that has no problems. So if you click on check on a part, this part will say there's no invalid edges or faces found. And if it's a solid body, it'll say nothing at all. If it's a surface body, it'll show you where that surface is open, which is useful if you're having trouble knitting something closed. But in this case, I'm looking for something a little more specific. Since there's no actual geometry problems, I want to look for the minimum radius of curvature. The thicken command offsets the surface by a certain amount. So now when I click check on that and look at the minimum radius, I can see that it's up here at the top of the giraffe's head, and the minimum radius is 0.4 inches. That means when I offset at 0.5 inches, there's going to be a little loop-de-loop inside there, and that's going to create a problem for it solidifying. SOLIDWORKS will try its very best to fix that problem, but in this case, by knowing that that's my limit, that's my maximum curvature, I can do a couple of things. I can go in and adjust my splines that determine the shape of this, or I could simply just, for the purposes of what I'm doing right now, I could thicken it to a slightly smaller amount, such as 3/8. And when I click OK to that, now it works without problem. So the most important step in fixing a problem like unable to thicken surface or unable to knit is understanding where exactly that problem is being derived from. And so understanding the geometry better and understanding what your limitations are and where those limitations occur will help you quickly get past any kind of stumble like this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let us know.